Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox a Lotus 650 watts small angle grinder. So I got this for sale. It's only 1,098 pesos. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching. So finally I got this Lotus 650 watts small angle grinder. It is best in class power to weight ratio. It has also compact housing design for mobility and ease of use. Also ergonomically designed for professional tradesmen. It is 650 watts. Also has 20 or 220 voltage, 12,000 RPM. It has also a anti-rotation protective guard, a slim handle, and also a spindle lock. The manual, as you can see, this is the body or the actual size if you attach those parts. So this is the anti-rotation protective guard, or it is for your eye protection. And then this is the Allen key wrench to lock the guard or unprotective guard. And this is the key to open for the blade if you want to open the blade or remove the blade, and the manual. So that's it. That's the parts of the grinder. I'm sorry, but I don't have the blade for this to try, so I will just try or hear what is the sound if it is in good condition. So you can tell me in the comment below if this is worth it or not.